Hello guys, mga ka-showmates, nandito tayo ngayon sa media ko ng upcoming weekly serye talaga na inaabangan para sa isa't isa ng Chris Rome. And we have Francis Magundayaw.
Hello po, magandang hapon sa inyo. Ako po si Francis Magundayaw, parte ng cast ng Para sa Isa't Isa.
Ayan, malaki na siya. Can I just say, fan kasi ako ng Darna ni Angel. And ikaw yung Ding. Oh my goodness, di ba?
Nostalgia.
Ito na nga nostalgia and katabi ko na siya ngayon. Ito, one more, siguro natatanong na rin ng mga media sa'yo. What is your fondest moments or memory shooting Darna with Angel? Ano yung mga na ano mo pa?
Right. Darna was almost 2 decades ago.
Yeah, 2005.
Yes, 2005. I was 5 years old at the
galing mo
time. Nabudol ng pera. Pero,
Ayun yung sinabi mo kanina, yung parang nag-audition yung...
yeah, in-audition ako. No, I'm not saying na, just to make it clear, no,
Yeah.
it's not because I don't like where I am.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
grateful for where I am. It's just that hindi mo the show is about timelines.
Exactly.
Mapapaisip ka parang, ano kaya buhay ko kung hindi ako nagtrabaho?
Yeah, just a question
Kaya lang,
lang
it's a question I sometimes think about.
Okay,
But
going back.
I love the arts. Anyway, fondest memory, naalala ko noon nung birthday ko sa EK, nag-shoot kami sa EK.
Enchanted?
Star City.
Okay,
Nag-shoot kami sa Star City. Tapos kunwari, hindi ko pa alam na si Narda at si Darna ay isa.
Oh.
So, Angel Locsin, beautiful as ever, came to save the day.
Okay.
On that shooting day, birthday ko,
Totoo. Okay.
naalala ko binigyan ako ni Ate Angel ng first ever toy car ko. It was something, it's a toy car. I mean, laruan lang naman
Yung
siya.
remote, yeah.
But it burned through my memory. It burned through the heart of my mom and my dad. And our view of Angel Locsin has never been the same.
Oh.
She is a real life superhero to me. As we know where she stands politically as well. Ano yung kanyang mga pinaglalaban.
Yeah.
So, on and off camera, she's Darna.
Yun nga yung sinasabi na lahat ng tao and you can attest to that na ganun
I can
na nga.
attest to that,
Doon
yeah.
2005, rising pa. I mean, she's a star already, di ba? Parang, di ba, look at her now.
Yes.
May interaction na ba kayo after that?
Yes, nakita kami sa rally ni President Lenny sa Pasig. Nung nakita ko siya na bumababa sa van niya, takot ako nun kasi volunteer ako nun. So nahihiya ako iwan yung station ko pero at the same time, I have to approach her, right?
Yes, yes.
So it was a TikTok. I posted it on my TikTok before of our interaction after almost 2.5 decades.
Yeah, tagal na.
Seeing her at what is great about it is naalala niya ako.
Oh my God.
Nang may mask, ng pawis, ng ano. Kasi
Sa time
rally
na
yun eh.
Oo,
So,
kumbaga mata pa lang.
mata pa lang naalala niya. And she calls me by name. So,
Ayun, yun yung mahal.
Yeah. And Darna knows you by name. Iba yun.
And grabe, iconic na yung show kasi party ka doon, 2005, parang top 3 or top
It was
2.
the highest at the time,
rating,
yeah.
56%. Oh my God, diba? Look at,
Yes. Oh my
Diba?
God. How do you... Wow.
Yeah,
Ginawa
syempre.
niya research niya.
Hindi kasi kapuso. So ayun na nga, 'di ba? And now, para sa isa't isa, is coming now. Wag kayong say na parang ano yung parang role mo na patikim na pwede na lang sabihin or parang kumbaga abangan sa role mo naman this time.
Great. So, I'm playing the character of Poy. As I said kanina, Japoy Lozada. Japoy Lozada
Okay.
is more than anything a loyal friend. But more than that, more than being a loyal friend, he is Zion's I would want to say parang hard truth teller. Sabihin niya kung anong kailangan mo marinig as your friend, and that becomes a model to some people who watches na parang dapat ganun ako. Dapat kaya kong sabihin sa kaibigan kung tama ka. Kaya kong sabihin kung medyo nababaliw ka na. I can say that because I'm your friend.
Okay.
So that stays true even across timelines, which is why I like Poy. And I wish to be Poy. I wish to have a Poy in my life. Yes.
Grabe, ang galing sumagot, 'di ba? Ito na nga, last 4 question.
Po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo manood ng one of a timeline type of story para sa isa't isa, September 13 na 5:30.
Thank you, Francis!